Hi guys, today we are building a self chatbot using a sclearn package, and let's go through it. Initially I am importing JSON, and I am loading it. Already created a data.json. I'm loading it, and I'm loading it into a data variable. Means I've opened the file and loaded in the file mode, and I loaded into data. Let's see how data seems to be. It's like a list format with bot users in this way. Let us define the main function. Before that, you should know the what are the packages we are using. sklearn package we are using for the IDF vectorizer. It is nothing but each word whatever we give, it will be converted into vectors by the vectorizer. After that, there will be a matrix pairwise matrix, which is nothing but which is helps us to calculate the cosine similarity. It is like a matrix which helps us to calculate the cosine similarity. Means a matrix which where there will be vectors existing in it, and if the vectors are closer to them, then that question will be selected to the vector, which is our question will be converted into a vector, and the question which is relatably closer to the question which already exists, that will be collaborated, and that answer will be shown by the bot. This is the basic thing. Updating conversations is nothing but the data I copied it. Here in the question, the simple logic it is the sentence is stripped, and all the sentence should be a question. So definition I defined a function is question and given the constraints, and also I given a counter 87, so that after 90 counts there will be no more questions should be asked by the viewer. Let me show the infinite questioning loop. In this, initially we will ask a question. After that, it's in this format. If the format is wrong, then the bot will ask the question in right format. If we type exit, it will exit the loop, and the following are as is. After that, we should use the TF-IDF vectorizer model. We first initialize the model, and after that we fit the model and create the matrix. While fitting the model, I'm taking here you can see index 1. Index 1 is nothing but the question. The questions are in the index 1, and we are taking it, and we are taking here the conversation is 2, because the questions exist in the second part of the whole matrix, always in the second part. So I am taking that way. In that way, we are extracting the questions, user questions, and we are creating the matrix. Only questions matrix we are comparing here. So TF-IDF matrix is created, and new question TF-I, if we give a question, that will be sent into a new question, and its matrix means it's some whatever vector it is vectorized, and new question TF-IDF is given. In this similar way, similarities is nothing but cosine similarity between the two vectors. It is like calculating the cosine similarity between two vectors. If the similarity is maximum similarity is greater than 0.7, thus the closest index in that maximum similarity is given, and that closest means question is taken as the index, and its answer is given as the answer to our whatever the conversation. If not, if statement is not working, then it goes to else, and it will say that the answer is not taken, and it will ask the owner to answer the same question. So no, it better. Let me execute this. Yeah, it's asking for the question. I will give where are you. Yeah, it's giving I am living in Rajahmundry, and I'm also questioning what is your country. Here you can observe its counter is 90 actually. Aim to provide answer means it asking the human operator, and human operator is giving I am India is my country. India is my country. Once they bot given the answer, it giving to the response to the other side, it is giving and providing the answer. If we want to exit, EXIT we can type, and we can click enter. Once we click enter, it will be exited. And now your task is to build a data structure for this bot, which makes all the questions which are similar to, which gives similar answers, means same answer to the asked question, so that it will be more simpler. In this way, applying more and more algorithms to basic bot will make the bot cleverer. In this way, we can say. And this is the basic thing that used to create a bot through using sklearn. It's just a thing you should analyze. I want to make it simple to you, and I think you have learned something from this. Please subscribe, and happy Sunday.